Good morning children. How are you? I think you all are very good. Today we are with a poem, Keep Always Smiling. Children, we will smile every day. Yes, we will cry every day. We will walk, we will run, and even we fight each other with our siblings. Yes, all these things we do every day. But smile is very important. We can make a lot of friends with a small smile. Yes, so we have to wish and welcome everyone with a small smile on our faces. Let us see the poem. A smile is a very funny thing. It wrinkles up your face, and when it is gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place. A smile is a small curve that makes everything straight. So always smile and love. Where is the time to hate? Yes, children? What the poet is telling in this poem? A smile is a very funny thing. He is telling that it is a very funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. What is wrinkles up, children? What is wrinkles actually means? It is a line on face. A fine lines will be, those are called wrinkles. But when we smile, we will get those fine lines around our mouth, on our face. So it wrinkles up your face. And when it is gone from our face, we can't find it anywhere. Where is the secret hiding place? So we don't know where the smile went. But still, when we smile, we'll get that goodness in our face. And a small curve that makes everything straight. When we smile, how our lips will be, children? It is in a curve shape. This curve shape makes everything straight. That means if he is not your friend or she is not your friend, but still you wish or greet him with a smile, he also changes. And the things and all the situations will be in a right condition. That means with a small curve like this on your face makes everything straight. That means in a good condition. So smile always and love. Where is the time to hate? If we smile and love everyone, then there will be no time to hate each other. So we have to smile every day and greet everyone with a smile in our face. That makes many friends, and also the situations go very nicely without any disturbances. If we are angry, the other person will be also angry. If we are very weird, the person will also be weird. So if we smile, the other person will also be smiling, or else he will at least try to be like us. So smiling and also wishing with a smile is very important. So with that smile, we don't have any time to hate each other. Thank you. Let us see the question and answers, and also tick the right answers, children. A smile is a very dash thing. Interesting, funny, big. Answer is funny. A smile is a small curve ball thing. Curve. A smile dash up your faces. Climbs, makes wrinkles. Wrinkles up your faces. We have no time to hate, smile, work. We have no time to hate. Let us see the question answers. What can a smile do? A smile can make things straight. That means a smile can make things better and also to be in a good. What is a funny thing in the poem? Smile is a very funny thing in the poem. Thank you.